chutney di na na level mo so ki purbo lagi to amni kida ekta chutney ko loi jai amni ki khai sakte ho bole amni ki ko like that resort ke ki purbo lagi tai one full faith dibo lagi wholeheartedly resort ke mami bo lagi prayer and fasting one to very important tool ase prayer fasting resort ke mami bo lagi anda si mami le to nabi bo you ask not because you here means prayer business प्रार्थना na kuri gela loile प्रार्थना do big takut la kina प्रार्थना do James ko kuri ni tharo apni mangi ase ini na mangi ko meaning do manga do mangi ase but apni prayer do not like us prayer do halka khali pray brado ase fasting na loi moi limited iku sacrifice kina diga sobra do mangi believe manga na ho do I can hear your prayer, but I cannot accept your prayer. So do the prayer. Prathana to buni ase, kintu moi accept kobo na pai because apni faith na wholeheartedly moke yan kore. Na James 4:2 de dikhi pai ase. 4:3 de you receive not because kile receive na kore. Kita to buni na kile when you ask, you do not receive. To kile to reason no wile bukan prathna de takat muka something is blocking our prayer to God isor de bhala prayer do isor ta bunji na kita ekta block hoy lo ase that is because we are sinners bukan papra kita abi bukan moi la prathna do isor de na bunja kile na bunji bole do moi papi manu ase I'm a sinner moi ekla nohoi sob dunia man sinner only be isora go confess or sin and come to me moi apna prayer bonibo to aso mo ando kida ni matto na mangibo prayer to buri thagibo fasting to koribo only be confess sin to kida ni mat na mangle mo hala prayer ro keep ase koina James 4:3 pati kodo to meaning ase one prayer kinga Baba so de kile na bunji boda wasta kile na bunji boda do unforgiveness boda kida abi map bole na jane na Mark 11:24 following this I said do apni map boda ye when you pray and remember that apni kile to mo sathi le galti koi na so boda kya I say prayer kara ne kile ham mami di boda confess koi di boda one prayer koi thaka lagte kuma ra hurt kisu gele forgive koi di boda kuma hurt kor ya aile now we are bukan maaf mami boleh cari boleh second reason because of unforgiveness mohon kita be maaf nate itu saksi tu mungkin na puas tu tai tu dia berasa tu na bukan tai revengeful heart yang dia ada maaf mami boleh isor ke de confess kor boleh humble kor boleh macam enggak kita say you ni de one malu ke especially with your wife husband malu ke sorry boleh dan ase because the kindness of God shows His creator. Kita itu juga tu, itu niscaya praise tu, isoro apni, alti tu lebih, apni tikar nama lebih, dunia kau maksudnya berada lebih. Come to me, I will. My praise is always with you. You know, we can show verse 16 apa itu? Our 7 day long submit. So keep yourselves to God. Apni nicholas isor ke lebih, stand up against the devil, and he will run away from you. Of this full, wholeheartedly, of this submit totally, ईश्वर के submit पूरी भी, और अपनी साधन रा किसी से भी temptation दिन नकली भी, अपनी मुला चाहे भी ना हो तो I'm always grateful to you. Come near to me, and I will come near to you. अपनी मोसोड़ा है भी, मैं अपनी मोसोड़े Try to see it. So, last 7 verse 10, be humble before the Lord, and He will make you great. Humble. If you want to be great in God's kingdom, learn to be a servant of all. What you do, line you have to serve to be king in the kingdom of God. Itu juga aku logo lagi. Kalau kita kanan atau The righteous went down into it, and they are saved. What meaning is that? Righteous can't are saved but the righteous are the sinners who who sinners meaning. So I will read that verse 65. So he sort of humble. We number of so or actually was not he sort of prayer though we give capacity and job and sort of now again, especially youngsters in the night with the kids and so drunkards can smokers can get only car go because likewise it's so one get temptation that is because on wrong motives. Took acting those over Saudi when I reach Guru life in the Kali was a drunkard or frustrated mother. Israel church in a this is our church, but it demands or society it could be of I have spent more than 10 less than 19 years in Wayne, in Australia. See society because it will be more killable. First, first the job service interview deep last I will be joined remote. Last 5 years ago, passport 100 passport China, last interview, with China, I will be 100 passport. So, obviously, understood what to do. Because I said, now, last Olympiad interview, take problems. Wait, luckily, the sword of this in immigrants. And after that, it will be whatever you guys. So, God did so many things. Times turn we can isolate, we sort of sit down and say, frustration of course, Babamura, Chile, Asian Mundu, to the Babam, say, second Mundu, we do not third high accident, Marine say, I think more and more frustration. Now, say, the Mundu, society, say, what they did is memory. I wanted to that is that they sold Nazarena, Ikura, Sadika Laritania, what you said. Look, that was wrong motive. You do Buddha of life, so that we didn't know each other. If you try it out, that's what we are like doing. But this one, you have kept something for me. हमने मुझे मन दुख दिया लेकिन मुझे ये मन दुख दिया लगा हमने एक मुझे fruit साथ एक जो दिना सुनिए इसको एक group का है so answer was sort promotion by say teacher will say LDA का इतना promotion will say lots of places we have more important say of course on the right side itu murise they see that delivery left side God sees the truth, but waits what they do. He waits. He will die, last he will die. Keep the us, not something if there are still blessings going on, we get just imagine Muhammad, Joseph Fatah Joseph ke Isora, Aro Ekata, Isora updated at constantly Kabode, Isora updated Tamo, Tamo, and DC over there. Kita Tamo over there, updated the other practice over there. Isora Kita, you can, and the Kade, it will never show you the destiny, your destiny. Isora and the Kabo, Kita the Kabo. One more job, one must we have what see over there. When they go over there, you will not Isora, they are prayer, Lord. Motif is so right. That's Joseph gave me so right. Update another book by so degree with the which is that jail Javade, another which is that Baja or Con jail Jamonjo, Kung dahil ako kaya bibig-bibig mo dyan na, ito ang tutusin ko. Iya ho jabo. That's why God says your plan. Apni your plan ko, jabo. Apni prayer puri isolation ka. Apni lगा important हो. चुना लगाया दूसरा. चुना के अपने नमाज को खाओगे एक्टिविटी बोलोगे. वहाँ नहीं हो. He had to suffer himself, and then all the ritual. इनका I do the process. वो हम जो एक्टिविटी है, डन है. लाया लगा के अभी भी बोले ऐसे अभी भी जो और पीछे में अभी तो ना है वो बोले ना always stand up for money ना माने चाहे सभी कोई भी पूरा लाइफ पहले अभी मुझे ना कोई भी इनका अभी स्टेटमेंट ही तो बोले अभी ला prayer ना आते ही बोले वो always वो तो ऐसे ना इसोरा इन्हें बोलने के लिए कोई भी अच्छी मैसेज तो कोई भी Boy la kami ko is frustration ko lang mundo ko siya kasi basic ito dia malu ko mundo ko siya ito ba boy bi aro turn back ina kita so ni search ko na mula problem ni ta share ba share ko siya so blessing mula ko ay kung sa day na jana dia sa mula friends ka especially mula ko ito ko mundo kay hatan हमें जो ऐसी बोले होता है रेफरेंस का वो खाना तो है ना ये प्रॉब्लम से क्या टाइम देख चला था तो टाइम की कोई and then some of them ना वो बड़ा मुन अवेलेबल हम निचोड़ उठी जहाँ पे वो खुशी बात इसी साथीगण रहे से that is friends are not by the company he keeps what to do वो उठी से वो किस आगे ना ताकि उठी से वो उठी वो तो हाल उठी से चार्ज और फॉर पे उसके बाद में वो बिल्ली का चले को सब उनके पास पूरी बड़ा सेक्शन है हम शुरू हो जैसे क्या विवाह होने के बाद में बहुत होते सी मोए मुझे जैसे कारण नहीं सब मुझे जैसे so my testimony into YouTube TV को का देखोगे ना तो मेरा तो मस्त है मेरा बेसिकली पाया है तो मेरा testimony निचना और वो ना सो होते प्रार्थना करा तो वो भी सो लाइक के लिए ना वो तो एक मूव ना होगा ना तक के ना बहुत शॉक के लिए और blessing होते हैं मैसेज चलाने से So